This is pre-calc video factoring review on GCF. Okay, so to GCF a polynomial, you want to take a look at each term in that polynomial and see what's the largest number that is a factor of all of the terms. So problem number 1, if I take a look at 14, 8, and 36, the largest number that can go into all three terms evenly is 2. Let me get my pencil out. 2. Okay. All right. There is an x in the first two terms, but there's no x in the last term. So the variable x is not part of the GCF. So 2 is the greatest common factor. Then I'm going to open parentheses, and I'm going to undistribute that 2, which is the same thing as dividing 2 out of each term. So 14x to the second divided by 2 is 7x to the second. 8x divided by 2 is 4x. 36 divided by 2 is 18. Okay. Problem number 2, 3 goes into both terms evenly, and then there is the same variable in both terms. There is an x in both terms. So what we need is the smallest power of those exponents. So we've got a 4 or a 3, so we're going to divide out the x to the third. That's the smaller one. Now I'm going to divide that out of each term. So 3x to the fourth divided by 3x to the third is x. Negative 12x to the third divided by 3x to the third is negative 4. Okay. Some more problems. For problem number 3, there is a 7 in all of those terms, and there is an x in all of those terms. 7x divided by 7x is 1. 28x to the second divided by 7x is 4x. Negative 35x to the third divided by 7x is negative 5x squared. You're subtracting those exponents. That's a 2. Problem number 4, the GCF is 6x. 24x to the fourth divided by 6x is 4x cubed. Negative 6x divided by 6x is negative 1. Okay, problem number 5. When I take a look at 39 and 13, I recognize pretty soon that 13 goes into the first two terms. I'm not sure about 78, but I'm going to use my calculator just to verify. 78 divided by 13 goes in evenly. It goes in 6 times. I just did that on the calculator. So 13 is a GCF. And then I want the variable, because it's in all three terms, with the smallest exponent. That's a 2. All right, so 39x to the fifth divided by 13x to the second is 3x to the third. Remember, you're subtracting the exponents. 13x to the third divided by 13x to the second is x. And negative 78x to the second divided by 13x to the second would be negative 6. All right, that concludes the video on GCF.